Welcome to Small Seconds, a YouTube channel dedicated to watches, details, and timeless design. Today we're unboxing the Casio Vintage Collection ABL-100WE-1AEF, a retro digital watch that blends classic Casio DNA with modern smart features. We start with the packaging. Casio keeps it simple and functional, a compact box with protective inserts that securely hold the watch in place. And here it is, ABL-100. At first glance, the design is unmistakably vintage. A rectangular digital display, clean lines, and a minimalist layout inspired by classic Casio models from the late 80s and 90s. The case measures approximately 41.6 by 37.9 millimeters, with a slim thickness of about 8.2 millimeters, making it comfortable for all-day wear. It's made from chrome-plated resin, which keeps the watch lightweight while maintaining durability. The display is protected by resin glass, staying true to the original Casio vintage aesthetic. The watch is paired with a stainless steel bracelet featuring a classic multi-link design. It feels solid yet comfortable on the wrist and includes an adjustable clasp for a precise fit. With a total weight of around 60 grams, the watch remains light and easy to wear throughout the day. Inside, the ABL-100 runs on a quartz movement with an accuracy of approximately plus or minus 15 seconds per month. What truly sets this model apart is its Bluetooth connectivity, allowing the watch to sync with your smartphone for automatic time adjustment and easy setup. This watch also features a built-in step counter using an accelerometer, making it part of Casio's modern, health-focused lineup. Your daily steps and progress graphs are clearly displayed on the LCD screen, combining digital nostalgia with practical everyday tracking. Functionality includes world time, stopwatch and countdown timer, 5 daily alarms and an hourly signal, full auto calendar, LED backlight for visibility in low light, everything you'd expect from a modern Casio digital watch. The watch offers water resistance for everyday use, suitable for splashes and rain. On the wrist, it sits flat, slim, and understated, perfect for casual wear or as a daily companion with a retro edge. This was the Casio Vintage Collection ABL-100WE-1AEF, a great example of how Casio blends heritage design with modern technology. Thank you for watching Small Seconds. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.